This is the Mademoiselle who owns the dog shoppery. She owns a shop in the city. She is Mademoiselle. Now, her husband is the dog, but it's actually the dog who saves the world. And that's weird. I just put him like that. And doesn't he look like a Mademoiselle? Wait a minute. And here's the dog who saved the world, who just yawned and wants to go to bed. But he can't. So he has to put on a hat. He's a little boy. He started out as a little boy and went to bed. And one day, there was a racket. He got up. He ran all the way to the kitchen. And he didn't see anything. And then the lights went out. They came back on. He was lying there on the floor with his hat on, and he said, "Mademoiselle, you almost killed me hardly. You The lights went on. They came back on. Mademoiselle was nowhere to be seen. Mademoiselle was killed. You'll see the next part later.